KTM Group of Companies. Salt production process. The salt is produced by the process of evaporation and sedimentation from water obtained from borewells, which are about 150 feet depth, with the help of submerged motor pumps. The electricity for operating these submerged motor pumps is procured from Tamil Nadu Electricity Board, and sometimes we use our own solar-powered electricity pumps. The density of the water obtained from borewells is only 5 degrees, and the water is stored in shallow pools in successive stages in order to attain the density to 25 to 30 degrees. The stored water goes into continuous process of evaporation by sun's heat, and the density of the salt increases in successive stages of pan. The salt is harvested by the process of evaporation and sedimentation. The number of salt pans varies from 18 to 32 in accordance with the availability of land. It takes nearly a month to obtain raw salt from the bore water after successive stages of heating, passing through the pans, evaporation, density increase and sedimentation. The raw salt, thus harvested, is transported to the factories either by lorries or manually. This common salt obtained has impurities and is hence purified to obtain pure common salt by recrystallization. The raw salt thus obtained undergoes many successive stages of conversion to attain free flow salt. The raw salt is transferred to hooper by lorries or manually. The salt is then transferred to washery from hooper through the belt conveyor. In order to get purified, the raw salt is washed with water. The washed salt is transferred from washery machines to wet mill, where it gets crushed and transferred to cleaning tanks via pipes. The salt then moves to the centrifuge from the third tank through pipeline. With the functioning of covered screw conveyor, the salt moves from centrifuge to dryer. From the dryer, salt is passed through bucket conveyor to sieving machines. The final product is collected through screw conveyor from the sieving machines. The produced salt is then classified into edible and non-edible in accordance with the requirement quoted by customers and transported to the customer's place by large trucks. Quality is a prime concern. For removing the black particles, adequate washing of raw salt is provided in the salt pan at the time of harvesting crystal salt. In the refinery, we have magnets to remove the metal particles. We strain our every nerve to get the best product, and thus we stand alone in supreme quality, which has fetched us quality and prominent customers. KTM Group of Companies, 267/8 WGC Road, Tuticorin, 628002, Tamil Nadu, India. 98421 07666 0461 232 3087.